Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Postcards from My Golden Years. My name is Anne, and today I am going to do a little review on Beach Bae, which is, I guess, a sort of a bronzer. We're going to find out. I'm going to do a little demonstration right after I get out of the shower so you can see what happens to my skin. I basically have a medium fair complexion. I'm not like lily white, and I don't have a tan. I tend to stay out of the sun most of the time unless I have covering. So anyway, before we get started, if you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Just click below the video, hit that subscribe button. The more subscribers I get, the more time you spend watching my videos, the more I can grow my channel. And after all, that is my goal. So anyway, hope you'll click that button. There's also a little bell next to it if you'd like a little reminder every time I post a new video. Click that bell and a little notification will come your way. All right, enough channel business. Now let's get started. Okay, so I have washed my face. I just got out of the shower. I have done all of my moisturizing. Let me show you what I've used. This is Serum Skin Renewing Retinol Serum. So that went on first. And then I think I've told you about this one before. This is from The Ordinary and it's called Buffet. So that serum goes on next. And then I alternate with what I use on my eyes. Today I used AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for face. So there is that. And last, I'm using a sample that I had. This is Revitalizing Supreme and Bright. It's really nice moisturizer. I got it as a sample with my foundation that I ordered from Estee Lauder recently. So I'm really enjoying this. When my normal moisturizer runs out, I'm thinking seriously of getting this because I think it's less expensive than the one that I normally use. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to put my glasses on for this. This is called L'Oreal Beach Bae. And it's a face and body luminizer. It can be worn with or without foundation. And the color that I got is, can we get that in there? There we go, 22 medium to deep. Okay, so I'm purposely doing this on a Sunday so that if it doesn't come out right, I don't have to worry about going out with it like this. I'll just wash it off tonight before I go to bed. So I should put my glasses back on. The directions say pump 25-30 times to dispense product on the first use, blah, blah, blah. Pump into hands or brush and work into face and body for an immediate summer glow. Skin is instantly hydrated with a natural glow and no greasy feel. Okay, so let me try it. Oh, well, it pumped right out. Okay. I forget how many drops to do. Oh, there are my glasses right there. It doesn't say how many drops. They want you to pump 25 to 30 times to dispense it, but it started dispensing on the first pump. So I'm just going to use this first dollop, see what that gets me. Oh my gosh. Wow. unexpected. I'm actually looking at my face in my phone, so I'm gonna go get a mirror. Actually, it does give me a nice golden glow. I'm actually pleased with this so far, and I think I'm just going to throw a little blush on, and I'm not going out today, so I may not throw any mascara on. Okay, so I am using, what am I using? This is Estee Lauder Pure Envy Color, flatters all cheeks, and it is number 1 Rebellious Rose. Okay, and I changed my mind. I am going to throw on just a little bit of mascara, even though I am not going out tonight, because I just want to get a feel for the whole look. I do have a bit of a glow. I look like I've been out in the sunshine for the day. Okay, and then last but not least, I am going to use this little lip glow. It's called Pixie by Petra. Get that right? Pixie by Petra. And what color is this? Ruby. Try to put it on. Oh, here we go. Nice bright look for a Sunday night where I'm gonna go make some chicken now and a salad and then watch TV for the night. So I didn't really need to be all dressed up, but I did want to try this, and I give it a thumbs up. So if you're thinking about it, as I recall, it comes in 2 different shades, and I will leave the information. I'll leave the information at the bottom of the video in my comments. So as usual, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm so glad you dropped by so that I could share this little review with you. And if you're not subscribed, hey, what are you waiting for? Just click down below. It takes you a second, and it builds up my base of subscribers and helps me grow my presence on YouTube, and that's what I am trying to do. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you again for watching. I love the fact that you are here with me. Have a great rest of the weekend or a fresh new week. Bye now.